Hey guys, today I'm just going to be doing a quick little lip tutorial on how I do my lips for my makeup. So first I'm going to be applying lip balm, and I'm going to be using this lip balm from CannaSmack, which is a hemp infused. Next I'm going to take this contour stick, and I'm gonna take the darker shade, and I'm just going to put that just a little bit underneath my bottom lip, just to kind of make my lips look a little bit more pouty and full. Then I'm also gonna take it and put a little bit right on the top as well, where my cupid's bow is. So I'm basically just gonna kind of overline my cupid's bow, and same with under my bottom lip as well. Next, I'm gonna take a pink lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips and slightly overline the bottom a little bit. Then I'm going to overline my top lip and go right over my cupid's bow and overline that, just to make my lips look a bit more plump and a little bit more full. Then I'm just gonna fill in my lips a bit more. Now I'm gonna go over my lips with a pink sparkly lipstick. Next, I'm gonna take my contour stick, and I'm gonna use the lighter shade on basically like the inner corners of my lips, just to kind of like make my accentuate my lips a bit more and like make it more pouty. And yep. And the last step is that I just take a pink glittery lip gloss and put that on over my lips. And that's how I do my lips when I do my makeup. I hope you all enjoyed and you have a fantastic day.